Meet the 2026 GMC Savana passenger van, a purpose-built people mover that prioritizes function, capacity, and confidence. Starting at $47,950, with an as-shown price of $48,860. Savana is designed to transport up to 15 passengers in their gear while keeping drivers comfortable, informed, and in control. Whether you're running hotel, shuttles, church groups, airport transfers, or business fleets, Savana delivers straightforward capability backed by GMC durability. Built for seamless function, the exterior emphasizes access and visibility. Available swing-out passenger side. Doors open in a 60/40th split to streamline entry and exit for large groups. Solar Ray light-tinted glass on the windshield and front side windows helps reduce glare, supporting driver focus on bright days. Available accessory assist steps at the base of the door make stepping in and out easier, especially for children, seniors, and anyone carrying luggage. A rear vision camera display provides a view directly behind the van when reversing, helping drivers align with curbs, avoid obstacles, and park in tight spaces with confidence. Inside, Savana offers comfortable seating for up to 15 passengers and flexible layouts to match your mission. Choose a standard 12-passenger arrangement or an available 15-passenger setup to maximize capacity. Rear climate control gives passengers their own heat and air conditioning adjustments, improving comfort across long routes and varied weather. For inclusive mobility, Savana passenger vans can be upfitted with various wheelchair lift options, enabling different accommodations and helping teams serve more riders. Upfits are provided by independent suppliers. Consult your dealer for solutions that match your needs. Power to transport. People comes from proven engines and smart driveline features. The standard 4.3-liter V6 delivers 276 horsepower and 298 pounds-ft of torque for reliable everyday performance. For heavier loads and demanding routes, the available 6.6-liter V8 steps up to 401 horsepower and 464 pounds-ft of torque, bringing robust acceleration and sustained pulling power. A driver-selectable tow haul mode helps reduce excess shifting. While towing or hauling, adding control on grades and in stop-and-go traffic, StabiliTrack detects and helps reduce traction loss to improve stability. While Hill Start Assist can hold the brakes briefly on steep grades of 5% or more to prevent rollback as you transition to the throttle. Traction matters when the weather turns or surfaces get slick, and Savana is ready. The available Eaton automatic locking rear differential can automatically lock the rear wheels in unison for added traction when needed, helping you pull away smoothly on gravel, snow, or wet pavement. Properly equipped, Savana passenger van offers a max Savana passing of 9,600 pounds and a maximum gross combined weight rating up to 16,000 pounds, so you can confidently tow equipment, luggage trailers, or specialty upfits that keep your operation moving. Convenient connectivity keeps teams productive. OnStar Vehicle Insights helps manage fleets with data that can inform maintenance, utilization, and driver coaching. With remote keyless entry and an active OnStar subscription, available theft alarm notification can send a text, email, or phone alert if the alarm is triggered, helping you respond quickly. The available GMC mobile app adds command and control in or out of the vehicle, bringing remote features and vehicle information to your smartphone to streamline daily operations. Savana's safety and driver assistance features add peace of mind on busy routes. Available Rear Park Assist provides alerts of nearby detected vehicles and objects behind the van to help avoid collisions when backing. The rear vision camera shows an image of the area directly behind your vehicle to assist with parking and reversing. Frontal airbags and seat-mounted side impact airbags for the driver and front passenger. Plus, head curtain airbags for outboard seating positions in the first 3 rows. Help provide occupant protection. Remember, driver assistance features are not a substitute for safe driving. Drivers must remain attentive to traffic, sirens, and road conditions, and performance can vary with visibility and weather, from 2,500 to 3,500 configurations. Savana passenger van is built to meet the demands of commercial, institutional, and family transport. Straightforward controls, durable materials, flexible seating, and accessible door options make daily use easy, while robust powertrains, smart traction technology, and thoughtful safety features build confidence mile after mile. If you need space for up to 15, room for luggage, the ability to tow, and a van that keeps drivers connected to the fleet, the 2026 GMC Savana passenger van brings dependable capability with the features that matter. Pair practical value with an approachable price and straightforward service support, starting at $47,950. Savana helps organizations stretch budgets without sacrificing capacity, comfort, or capability. Choose the seating plan that fits your routes. Spec the powertrain that suits your loads and add the upfits your passengers require, then rely on available connectivity and driver aids to streamline every trip. From morning pickups to night returns, with confidence built into every mile you drive.